Yeah, I'm highly intelligent. I have a good IQ level, but still, I'm unable to get my success. I'm putting so much of hard work, still, I'm unable to get my success. Do you have this confusion in your mind? Then this video is only for you. Yes, many of us have met that we've been thinking that it is if you have a good intelligence, if you're ready to put so much of hard work, definitely you can reach the success. But which is not true in today's scenario. Those olden days have gone. So if you really wanted to have a growth, if you really wanted to achieve success, what you have to do, you have to have a clarity on your vision. How deeper your hunger, how deeper your desire, how strong your hunger, these are the factors are going to decide your success. Whether your IQ is good or you're too much of intelligent or smart or you're putting so much of hard work, it doesn't matter. It all depends on how clear you are at your vision and how deeper your desire, how strong your hunger. These are the factors which are going to decide. So how do you identify whether you are moving towards your goal or moving away from goal? Very simple. I'll give you a simple tip here. Just take a piece of paper and close your eyes and think on 1 minute what you did yesterday. How many activities you did yesterday, just write down those activities. How many tasks you performed yesterday, just write down those activities. And now you, after you writing all those things, you just look at and identify how many activities are directly or indirectly connected with your goal. And you will come to know that how you spend your time and how many times your time is being hijacked by irrelevant activities. Suppose if you are a student preparing for an examination or preparing for interview, just try to identify how many tasks you performed the previous day which are relevant to your examination or relevant to your job activities, job interview. Suppose if you are a working group, so try to identify at your office how many times, how many activities, how many tasks you performed which are directly or indirectly relevant to your appraisal. Just try to identify, or your growth parameters. If you are a business group, just try to identify how many tasks you performed which are directly or indirectly relevant to your profit or goal. So this will give you the clear idea where you have spent your time, how your time is being hijacked, everything you will come to know that. So if just a simple technique if you learn, that is called journaling, you can manage your time very effectively and you can perform your tasks which are relevant to your goal. Otherwise, what will happen? You will put so much of effort and you will learn a lot more things, but you will be moving out of the track or you will be moving opposite direction to the goal. Just if you wanted to have a clarity whether you moving towards the goal or away from the goal or you are on the track or off the track, you have to do this exercise regularly. And this review will give you the clear feedback on where you are missing. So if you want to know more about your personal growth or professional growth, you can talk to me or you can attend my online workshop which is being conducted every weekend. You can take the tickets from the Facebook or you can contact me through my mail ID at shaktilifecoach@gmail.com or shakti.psychologist@gmail.com. I've given the link in the description. If you want to, you can take the tickets. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And if you have any comments, please share. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I will help you to prepare one more video or next video. I'll try to reply on that. Thank you so much.